she knows how to freeze.
Emma doesn't freeze.
Emma, you know what it means to freeze? You stay still.
No.
You don't move your hands or your feet or your eyes or your mouth.
Freeze.
I think it's too hard for some people to freeze.
Look, freeze. I did do that.
Oh, Quaylin's good at freezing.
Like me.
Lily too.
Emma, be gentle, honey. Emma, Lil, we don't push out of the way like that, okay? Hey, Emma, where's your underpants? Go find your underwear.
Quaylin?
Go get your underwear on, Emma.
Yeah,
Hey,
but that's
go look for your underwear.
Okay, can I have some more
there.
dances, please, and some more songs?
Okay.
Stop scratching yourself and go get some underpants
There's
right
something
now.
about him.
Okay.
Emma, go find your underpants.
And then they went. Oh. And then they kissed. And then they shot. And then we go kicking all up. And then we say, hi.
Lil,
Yeah, she's really opening up, dancing, and being expressive with her emotions.
thank you, Emma.
That's so good.
Sha-la-la, the snake, but there's something about it.
Oh, yeah, these
dancers. And then they kissed forever.
dancers.
And then he said, I never you like a one
Should I give
now.
her a drink, Quaylin? Should I give the baby a drink in my cup, Should I give her a drink in her bottle?
Do you know the Sleeping Bunny song?
Okay. Here, let me sing.
Okay,
How about
you
you
pick
sing?
up your stool?
Nan doesn't know that song. Your mommy knows it.
Mommy, can you sing it?
Quaylin, that's a good song for you to learn too. Look at Emma. Watch Lily, okay? You gotta do what they do, honey. Watch them. And listen to everything they see.
See the sleeping bunny sleeping till it's noon. Shall we go and wake them with this merry tune? Oh, so still are they ill. You guys have funny snores?
I didn't know bunnies snored.
Are you getting ready to hop? Quaylin, you gotta hop. Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up, sleeping bunnies,
Hop, 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 Quaylin.
Wake up, sleeping bunnies, hop, hop, hop.
Wow, you're such pretty bouncy bunnies.